Hello Remax Action First. What we are going to do is go over the slice tool in Transaction Desk. What the slice tool does is it takes a large PDF file with multiple documents in it and it breaks it down into individual documents. And this is how you do it. When you go into Transaction Desk on your dashboard, you will see here a section that's called Documents. If that is not available to you, you can find it under the menu with the 3 dots. And it will be right here. You can drag it and drop it for easy access. Another way to get to that function is on your column here where it says Documents. Go back to this one. Go to Documents. This is where you will upload your large PDF file and get it ready to break down. You will see this Add button here. You will click that and select Add New Document. And take the PDF file off of your desktop or a folder that it's in and simply drag it and drop it. And here it is. When you want to slice it down into smaller documents, you'll click on these 3 dots here. You will find an option available labeled Slice and Markup. Click on that, select Slice, and here you will see all of the pages of that large PDF file. As you can see, we have multiple documents in this file, and we need to break them down to add them to the checklist. What we do through this slice tool is we delete out all of the unnecessary pages. So if you want to do your sales contract, you'll see it's 12 pages. You can see each one, and you will delete everything 12 pages on. You can select the first one, hold the Shift key and select the last one, and it will highlight every single page in between. This is a neat little trick that's available in most Microsoft programs, even on your desktop. You can select one and select the last one, and it'll highlight everything in between. It's a neat little trick. In the sake of this program, it does make it easier. What we're going to do is delete all of these extra pages that are unnecessary to the sales contract by clicking this trash can right here, and it says Remove Pages. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. And there they've been deleted. From here you'll want to save it. Click the Save button. Select Save As. This will create a new document. You don't want to replace that first one because we still need to break it down further because there were several documents under one. And label it. To make it easy to find. Save. Close out. Do you want to save the changes? This time you say no. And you'll see right here, there's my sales contract that I just broke down. You want to look at it, you can click on it, and you'll see how many pages are there. 12. And that's the 12 pages that we just did. Let's do another one. Docs, menu, slice, markup, select slice. This time we want the HOA disclosure. Select one page, press the Shift key, select the last one. All pages in between will be highlighted. Delete them. Do it again for the documents on the other end. Select the first one, press Shift, select the last one. You can also individually select the pages and deselect them. However, I find that is more time consuming than using the Shift trick. And delete them. Yes. Here's your HOA. Don't forget to save it, save as, and label it. Close. It's asking if you want to save. No, because you just did. And there it is. And that is how you use the slice tool in Transaction Desk. Thank you for watching.